Hey guys, Sherman 614 here. Got our good Georgia snowstorm going on here. Well, that's probably kind of hard to see a little bit. I have kind of jerry-rigged a plastic bag over my video camera. If you're having a hard time hearing me, that's why. This is our road that, as you see, is completely covered in ice. Or not ice, snow I mean. I'm walking along here. I don't know if you can see the light catching the snow coming down, guys. Some big flakes coming down. You can probably hear the snow hitting. They might. Speaking of snow hitting, I have snow hitting me in the eye. So this is a road. Woods. Oh, I'm being hit in the face by snow. Oh, this sucks. Sorry, getting hit in the lens with some snow there. Alright, this is next day, and you can see that there's still a good bit of snow coverage. Not as melted by far. We had a bout of freezing rain overnight, so that didn't help at all either. And every time you take a step, this is what you hear. And it's whoa. Okay, I'm in up to my ankles. Okay, but then again, you know, the layer of freezing rain. You have a layer of ice over all the snow. It just comes off in chunks every time you take a step. Let's break. Whoa! Okay, see, look. Look how deep that got compared to my hand. It's up to my wrist. This is the road. It's been iced all over. And like I said, every time you take a step, just hide the layer of ice where the snow breaks off in chunks. It's really trippy. Whoa, that was slippery. The car is the sleet coming down is just freezing over it immediately. See, it's that's how deep it was in snow. Alright guys, this piece of ice, having a little fun here. Hard to throw with a camera in your hand. This piece right here. Have a little snow day fun.
Okay, wait, hold on, Ninja Star. Okay, Ninja Star, Ninja Star. Ninja Star. Oh.
That sucked.